What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a little 8K video test here on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's just going to be straight 8K video recording, no cuts, no edits or anything like that, because I don't have a video editor that can edit 8K videos, so it's just going to be straight 8K video recording and then uploaded straight to YouTube from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But what do you think so far? Of course, you can only record at 8K 30 frames per second here on the rear-facing camera. You cannot record in 8K on the front-facing camera. So I thought I'd go ahead and mention that for those of you that don't know. But let me go ahead and show you what I'm looking at. I know you don't want to be looking at my face the whole video. Currently next to this little waterfall right here, but we are going to be taking a little stroll on my electric board here, and this will give us a good idea of what stabilization is like as well. And this is all handheld, as you can see from my shadow over there. And I'll try not to talk too much. I don't want to hurt your guys' ears talking throughout this whole video. But yeah, just enjoy the video. Enjoy the 8K video recording. Beautiful day today. Now, hopefully there is some of you who does have, you know, an 8K monitor so you can truly see what this 8K video looks like. I personally do not have an 8K video monitor, but even if you watch it in 4K, it should still look pretty good. But so far here in the viewfinder, not looking too bad. And stabilization seems to be doing pretty good as well. Water park over there. All the beautiful palm trees. Now, like I said, I do not have an editor that can edit 8K video. So unfortunately, I can't even put, you know, nice background music for you guys to listen to during this video. But my goodness, here in the viewfinder, it's actually looking really good. Now we are going towards the sun right here. Give you a good idea of what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and go out to the street, into the bike lane. Now we do have the option to zoom in actually 5 times right here. Now it's not using the telephoto lens, I don't believe it is. It's just a digital zoom. But look at this, even zoomed in at 5 times. Stabilization, still pretty good. We'll go back to the main lens. tree almost got my face right there. Let me check the temperature of the phone. Let's see, does the back feel hot? I am using a super slim case, so I could feel if the phone's getting hot or not. It is a bit warm, I will say. We've been recording for about 5.5 minutes now. So the phone is getting a bit warm, but again, it is a hot day out here too. I know it's close to, I think like 110 right now, 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh, okay, looks like the bike lane is gonna end right here. So let me go ahead and pick up my board. Go ahead and walk over here. Let's just go ahead and go back this way. But what do y'all think? 8K video here on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, 30 frames per second. I think we'll go ahead and call it right there. I think that should be enough right there to give you guys a good idea of what recording video in 8K is like at 30 frames per second here on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Can you see yourself using this? I'm sure, you know, most people aren't going to be recording video at 8K unless you really want to capture a lot of that detail in your video, I guess. Because I mean, I know there's not a lot of people who own an 8K monitor either. I know they do offer those. Whoa, bumpy road right here. Hold on, let me. Whoa. Okay, we're over it. I don't even remember what I was saying, but I know they do offer 8K monitors for sale, obviously 8K TVs, but again, I know a lot of people don't own them either. But for those of you that do, and you happen to be watching this video on one, let me know what you think about the video quality. And even if you're watching at 4K, you'll still be able to tell if video quality is good or not. So y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones here with an 8K 30 frames per second video test on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.